Thank you for joining us on LYC, Heather.
Yeah, thank you for having me, Kyle.
It's great. So, I'm looking at all this food that you've brought here, and I'm super excited about it. But I have to ask you, what does this have to do with rubrics?
Sure. Well, Kyle, rubrics are a lot like a recipe. If you use simple, quality ingredients, it's going to turn out well. So let's go over what we need in order to make a rubric work. The first thing we need for a successful rubric is range. So similar to how grades range from A to F, our rubrics also need to reflect the well below standard performance to exceeding performance, because all levels of work are possible. So can you please hand me the berries?
Sure.
All right. So this assortment of berries represents the array of outcomes on a rubric. So the next ingredient that we need for a successful rubric is point values. And so now that we have our range, we need point values associated with each performance level that are constant across performance descriptions. What this means is you don't want any large gaps between points, just like you don't want any large chunks in your smoothie. The next thing we need for our rubric is descriptors. So descriptors need to be observable and measurable to reflect student action and achievement. And so just like yogurt, our rubric has standards. And so just like the standards of pasteurization and bacterial culture control make yogurt possible. Lastly, your rubric needs to have reliability for all of your students and, if possible, for other teachers to use on the same assignment. So your rubric needs to be consistent with no surprises, just like this even, smooth, creamy peanut butter. Okay, Kyle, now that we have all of the ingredients for our rubric, let's put them together.
Thanks, Heather.
Cheers.
That's a good smoothie, and it makes for a pretty good rubric too. So if you would like a simple, easy to use rubric from EPI, please click the link in the description section below.